So in case you haven't figured out, we're doing a lot more webinars at the moment, which I actually really enjoy and I want to do more of, because in the last year, so 2019, all we did was events in London, live events every month at the end of the month. If you didn't come to those, then technically that was your fault, because I was doing them for almost 2 years non-stop every month, and you should have turned up, because now I'm getting all the messages saying, are you going to hold your next event in London, etc, etc. Now, we are holding events in London, but they're very different. They're actually trading workshops, because what I'm doing is I'm homing in. I have my own goal set in terms of how many traders I want on the prop fund. That's the fund that I'm giving out to people, 200k prop fund, etc. Now, that's really important to me. Now, to get the best people in that arena, I have to qualify them by really giving them an intense trading experience. And that's how and why I'm doing the webinars. The webinars are designed so that you guys get a free bit of info about webinars, about trading in particular, and once you've got that, then you can decide whether you want to get onto the prop fund, because my trading style, which has been taught to me by a trader in the city of London, is very institutional. That means very professional. It's not in and out spending hours on the chart. It's not, like, you're not spending more than half an hour to an hour a day looking at the chart, and it's using daily time frames, and it's using long-term strategies, medium-term strategies, and day trading strategies. But the day trading is not scalping, so if anyone's a trader and they think they're doing really well, a lot of amateur traders lose out in money in Forex. 95% of people fail because they trade like an amateur, which means they're in and out really quick, like 20 pips here and there, 20 little, and they think they're professionals, and they're not, because that's not how you trade consistently. Especially if you're trading big money, you have to have incredible risk management. So that's what I'm working on. That's what I'm really building on, and that's what you're going to find me focusing on in the next few months. Now, just to clarify, that may not be the only way that we do our events. So we're going to be doing trading workshops, and then you're going to come onto my trading we're going to do trading webinars, and then you're going to come onto the trading workshop. So I hope that makes sense. So this next 3 months at least, I am going to focus on the trading webinars as the go-to for you guys. So I'm going to hold them once a week. So make sure you take advantage of them. Always look at my social media, follow my social media, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. I am on all of them, pushing the links every time I've got an event, like a webinar. Now, if you want to join me in person, that comes through, you have to go on the webinar to then join the trading workshop. There is a fee for the trading workshop, but that's how I want it to be. I don't want to do 3 free trading workshops. Why? Because the free mentality brings in a lot of rubbish, I'll be honest. Now, the difference I found in the trading workshops versus the ones that people pay versus a free trading event or free wealth building workshop is that the caliber of people are very different. England has a mentality of free events everywhere, which has really ruined the market. And I do think that people are a bit spoiled. You kind of given too much for nothing, and that makes you a little bit entitled. I don't like that. If I could remove free events, I would do that. But you guys are so spoiled. You think that everything should be free. So all I'm going to give for free now is the actual webinar, because I don't believe that I get the right caliber. Serious people come because they pay a little bit of a commitment. I'm not asking for loads, by the way. I'm asking for a commitment to show me that you're really interested and you're not going to waste my time, because time is very important to me. I value that so much that I would prefer I have a few of you with a paid ticket rather than loads of you with a free ticket, if that makes sense. So that's what we're working on now, just to give you a lowdown of what we're doing. And I look forward to seeing you on the webinars. See you soon. Bye.